matters strategy and in matters messaging. And we took advantage. You know, Kenyans hate betrayal. Kenyans hate people being treated unfairly. Kenyans knew the kind of work Aden Duale had done for the President, Kenyatta, and Jubilee, and were very unhappy the way he had been treated. So when we were going out with the President William Ruto, we would send vehicles to announce that in our entourage will be one Aden Duale. And Kenyans would turn up to listen to Aden Duale because they felt he had been treated unfairly. The same thing happened with Kithure Kindiki. When he was Deputy Speaker, he was not available to strategize for us. So when he was shown the door, the man was available 24/7. The same with Murkomen. So in a way, one of these days, when President Uhuru Kenyatta gets time and compassion to give me an audience, I'll thank him for chasing away these people. Because by doing so, he created a solid team that had a great resolve to succeed. Because the truth be said, if William Ruto had lost, it would have been very difficult for this team. If William Ruto had lost, in my scheme of things, and I know and I'm right, I will be serving the 5th month in Kamiti now. All these people would not be here. So what happened because of the persecution? A very serious team evolved with a great resolve to succeed. And that is what contributed in a great way to propel President William Ruto to the presidency. Your Excellency, loyalty is what you have shown us. And what Professor Kindiki has said is true. Honorable Aden Duale and most of us have little regard for money. Money is just legal tender. When you don't have money, it's because somebody else has. It leaves your hands, it goes to somebody else. Your Excellency had this team that worked around you, gave in to monetary offers. These people would be billionaires. Money was offered left, right, and center for the betrayal of William Ruto. But men and women of substance, great men, said no, money is not everything. People must stand for something. And Your Excellency, we must also thank you because you have also been very loyal to your friends. And it's clear that a man who was persecuted because of standing with you today is the Minister for Defense in your government. A man whom I don't know whether he'll put in his book, who was almost assassinated on the 14th of August, Professor Kithure Kindiki, is today your Minister for Interior. Kipchumba Murkomen, who was thrown out of the Senate, is today your Minister for Transport and Roads. And you, as Truly, who was locked up every Friday, is your Deputy President. Your Excellency, it's about you. This loyalty is you. And I think it's a good thing for this country that people must know you must stand for something. And you must stand for what you believe in. Because it's important. So I want to say, Honorable Duale, thank you very much. I met Honorable Duale when we were in ODM. By the way, all of us were in ODM. President William Ruto was in ODM. Retired President Uhuru Kenyatta was in ODM. I was in ODM. Musalia was in ODM. So these young boys who came to ODM the other day,